In this video, I'll be showing you how to use a free Microsoft tool to split your ultra-wide screen. Let's say you have an ultra-wide screen just like my screen. You can see here I'm using a display. The display tool is an ultra-wide screen. And you want to split this screen so you can use multiple screens at the same time. Because if you are working with an ultra-wide screen, sometimes you can see that my screen looks very small. If I just, for example, I open Internet Explorer, here you can see that my Internet Explorer is just on one in the middle of my screen. So how do you split your screen so that you can use your ultra-wide screen? Very beautiful. Let me show you a free tool you can use from Microsoft. So here I have an application called FancyZone. Well, FancyZone is part of the tool called the Microsoft PowerToys. You can see Microsoft PowerToys have a lot of utilities, which FancyZone is one of them. Here you can read what the FancyZone can do, but I'm going to show you how it works. First of all, you can download the FancyZone from either you can download it from the Microsoft Store, which is the Microsoft PowerToys, because you need to install the Microsoft PowerToys. Or you can also download it from GitHub, which of course you will need to download the Power User. But let's download it from the Microsoft Store. So I'll just click download, and here you can see it's trying to it has been downloaded, and I'll click open. And it will try to open it from the Microsoft Store. Here you can see it has already been downloaded on my device. I'll just click install. So this is going to install the tool. So let's get this tool installed and then come back again and let me show you how it works. So here we go. You see the Microsoft PowerToys have been installed. Let me open it. So if I open this application that has been installed on my device, you can see we have a lot of utility which have been installed alongside the FancyZone we want to use. Well, my name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to like my YouTube videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me grow my channel. Well, if I click on FancyZone, here you can see it says we have some options here. You can actually just check it on your own, but I want to focus more on the main action we need to perform. Here it says activation shortcut. So you need to press your start menu, shift and %. And then to actually, well, let's do that first. First of all, if I press my start menu, my shift and %, you can see it's going to give me the option on how I want to split my screen. Here you can see we have three columns. We have rows, we have grid, we have priority grid, and we also have some custom, which I have done in the past. And also you can see I have two screens at the moment, two monitors, and I can actually choose from my ultra-wide. You can see my ultra-wide resolution and my second monitor resolution. So right now I'm just going to select this and then click create new layout. I'm just going to call this, let me just call this Kelvin 1 and then click create. So I'm going to click save. So it looks as if nothing happened. You can see we now have three screens here. So I'm going to close this. And then what you can now do is the following. If you want to drag, for example, you have a screen open, you want to drag it to one of those three screens, what you need to do is to press shift and then drag it. You can see that the screen has been selected right now, so I can just put it on one of them. Here we go. And if I drag my second, for example, I have Microsoft Edge open. If I drag it, it's going to take me to the second one. And then here again, I have, for example, I have my third screen. I can just press the shift key, and then you can see I have three screens. But without my fancy tool, my FancyZone, of course, I will not be able to do this. Let's say I open a new browser, and again, I want to take this browser to the right or to the middle screen. Just press the shift key, and then you can see it's actually going to select, and then I can just choose one of them. But mind you, here we still have the tool open. So if I close this tool, you'll be thinking after closing the tool, it still works. So long as the application is installed on your device, you can still definitely use it. So let's try. I'm going to actually open this, And then if I select this, you can see it's still giving me the option to select one of my screen. So right now you can see we have three applications open at the same time, and they are all, if they all fit into the three different screens as if I'm using three monitor at the same time. So this is the free tool. I've actually tried other tools, but this is one of the best I find you can use to actually split your ultra wide screen. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to just put on the comment that this video helped you to fix your problem using the ultra wide screen. Bye.